Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made this secret compartment to hide this piece of search protector that I have, that I put it on my bookshelf. I'm gonna use old books that I got from this recycling center. A lot of people send their old books to this recycling center, and then they sold it for cheap. So I bought about 9 or 10 of them. So I am going to start off by measuring the size of this search protector. I'm gonna measure the length of it, and I'm gonna measure the height of it, just to be sure that I make enough clearance for me to cut the books so that it can rest on the search protector, or at least hover above it just a little bit, not by much. Right here I am putting the books on top of the square, just to make sure that I have enough books to cover the length of the search protector. And then after that I'm going to cut the bottom corner of the books according to the height, so just a little bit higher so that it floats above, like I said earlier. But people don't like me destroying books, so therefore I have bought these fake books from Shopee and cut the bottom corner, and I don't have to worry about the height of it already. Once I cut all the corners of the books, or the fake books, I glue them all together, stack on top of each other, and wait for it to dry for about at least a day and a half. About a day and a half later, everything's dry, and I just make sure that it would not fall off, and I would not clean the insides of it because nobody's gonna see it. Once it's done, I just put it over the search protector and I call it a day. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, maybe you can consider to subscribe to my channel and watch the other videos that I've made, and I'll see you next time.